Dinleme metni 52. Mətni diqqətlə dinlədikdən sonra ona aid olan tapşırıqları yerinə yetirin. For a long time, people believed there was a place in the Himalayas where the inhabitants lived forever. They called the place Shangri-La. This name came to mean paradise in the English language. A lot of the stories about Shangri-La are untrue. However, some are accurate. The original Shangri-La was the Hunza Valley, a remote region in the high mountains of northern Pakistan. The Hunza people don't live forever, but many live to be over 100 years old. They appear to be amongst the healthiest people in the world. They are certainly immune to the many diseases of this area. Why is this? People who have traveled to this remote area say it's because the Hunza diet is so healthy. The inhabitants eat only what they grow. Grain, fruit, and vegetables are their daily food. They seldom eat butter or eggs. They eat meat only on important feast days. Their only sweet dish is dried apricots. The Hunza never drink alcohol. Their religion forbids it. Sugar and canned food are also unknown to them.